We'll guide you through how to make packaging pattern in Adobe Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Launch your Adobe Illustrator and begin by clicking File on the menu bar at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose New to start a fresh project. After that, select your preferred preset size based on your needs, then click Create to open your artboard. Once the artboard is ready, make sure your packaging design is already prepared because you will need it later in the process. Keep the packaging design saved and ready for the next steps while you begin creating your pattern. You can create the pattern directly on the artboard by using the available drawing and shape tools inside Illustrator. If you already have a finished pattern saved on your computer, you can also import the ready-made pattern from your files instead of creating a new one. Before converting the imported artwork into a pattern, make sure to embed the file properly. When your base pattern is complete, select the artwork and go back to the menu bar. Click Object, choose Pattern, and then select Make from the submenu. After doing this, the Pattern Adjustment panel will appear automatically on your screen. Use this panel to arrange and adjust your pattern design until it looks the way you want. You can modify the spacing, alignment, and overall appearance of the repeated design during this stage. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement, click Done to save the pattern settings. Now add your packaging design onto the artboard if it is not already there. Select the packaging design. Then go to the swatches panel and choose your newly created pattern from the available swatches. Arrange the way the pattern appears on the packaging by using the scale option to adjust its size and placement. When everything looks correct, duplicate the pattern packaging design and place the duplicate neatly on your artboard for presentation or further editing. This final duplicate allows you to compare different layouts, make additional adjustments, or prepare separate versions for printing and client presentation. Check that the pattern alignment, scaling, and overall appearance remain consistent across the duplicated design before saving your Illustrator project.